Well, this is the Bugs drone. It's the Bugs 2 Bug Series brushless drone with brushless motors. That's great. Luckily I'm over 14 and it features independent ESC, which means electronic speed controls for the motors. Each one has its own speed control on each arm, I guess, and also has two-way 2.4 gigahertz communication and a 1 key return, which is great. So let's get this opened. And don't forget the useful carrying hand. Plus we've got the operation manual and some stickers to advertise for the company. First thing I find inside is the controller. Oh, nice one. It's well sealed. What I do like is this little display to give us the telemetry of what's going on when your drone is in the air, or quadcopter. So we've got that. Going in here, opening the other side. Polystyrene shell. There's the Bugs. So it comes with props already. Wow, very substantial. That is great. Comes with a piece of see-through cellophane here, a screwdriver, and a tool for doing the props, and some prop bushings, I believe. The charger with the USB balanced charger on it. That's nice. Now I'm surprised because not only did they send us a charger, but they sent us a little SD adapter to USB, and also, I'm surprised and impressed that they all sent us. They sent us, what is that? An 8 gigabyte SD card. Looking good. It's got the camera at the front, and also remember to take off that little plastic thing, otherwise it might affect the image that you are videoing. This drone is GPS drone, which is nice. On the back here we've got the standard battery, which is what, 1800, or is that 1800 milliamp hour, 7.4 volts. So that should give you something there. And that little connector up there is where the battery actually connects into. This battery here has a little cover on. Remember to take that off. This little, otherwise your drone will not work. See that little piece of plastic there? And then when you plug it in, I don't know if it's got charge on or not. Yes, it does. It does have charge. Look at that. Okay. So on the controller itself, this comes in mode 2, which means that is the throttle that goes up and down, and that does your yaw left and right, and this one makes the drone go forwards and backwards, or to one side or to the other side. Alright, great. Now then, number 6. This is your headless mode switch right there, and this one here, number 2, that's your GPS mode switch. These are important things to remember. That is, of course, the power on, power off. On the top here, that is the unlock switch. I think you press that in when you first turn on the power. This one here is the return to home. And this one here is photo and video. On the back here is where you put your batteries. It will take some AA batteries, 4 of them.